If anything's going to get you in the summer spirit, then it's the flavours of the Mediterranean, and this pasta salad is going to get you right in that summer mood. Start by cooking off your pasta about 300 grams until al dente. Finally dice half a red onion and add to a big bowl with 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar and a pinch of salt. Quarter up 250 grams of cherry tomatoes. Add to a sieve with a pinch of salt. I do this every time I eat raw tomatoes. It drains out the excess liquid and intensifies the flavour and sweetness of your tomatoes. Add 150 grams of spinach to a colander and give it a rinse. Once your pasta is cooked, you're going to pour that pasta directly over your spinach and it's going to wilt it. Throw your drained pasta and spinach into your onions, your drained tomatoes, add 100 grams of black olives. Say what you want, I think cheap black olives are damn good olives. Crumble up 100 grams of feta. I could eat feta by the block. And glug over a tablespoon of good olive oil. Give it a stir and season as required, and that is as easy as it is. For more fantastic dishes this summer, then make sure you check out my website or any of my other social platforms.